Vector tool connection. The ATS ISO connection to the vector tool is joining the dissimilar materials of vinyl ester composite material with PVC. In order to achieve a strong mechanical bond, the inside of the PVC collar must be scraped and scored with a 40 grit or coarser sandpaper. The first step is to apply a thin layer of putty mix to the inside surface of the scraped PVC's collar. Apply a liberal coat of putty mix to the outside end and edge of the tool connection fitting. Insert the puttied end of the tool connection completely into the PVC collar. Squeegee the putty on the outside rim of the joint connection, forcing putty mix down into the seam. A clean cloth saturated with isopropyl alcohol can be used to clean away excess putty mix. Also, whenever possible, reach into the duct and smooth the putty mix around the inside seam.